Namaskar and a very good morning. Chief Guest Dr. Sudhir M. Bhogde, Principal Secretary, Department of Higher Education, Government of Uttar Pradesh, and Member Secretary, UP State Council of Higher Education. Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Lucknow, Professor Alok Kumar Rai, sir. Professor Brajen Singh, Dean, Faculty of Science, University of Lucknow, and Chairperson of the seminar. Professor Masood Siddiqui, Head Department of Statistics and Co-Chairperson Seminar. Other deans who have joined us, heads, retired senior teachers of the department, faculties of universities, participants, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to the National Seminar on Implementation and Impact of National Education Policy 2020 in Higher Education, sponsored by Department of Higher Education, Government of UP under the scheme of Center of Excellence. A couple of days back, addressing the convocation ceremony of Tirthankar Mahavir University in Moradabad, Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Shri Yogi Adityanath ji praised the National Education Policy as the most significant educational reform which will serve as a medium for students to showcase their worth and utilize their full potential. We are experiencing a paradigm shift in not just how education is delivered, but also redefining what comprises education altogether. NEP, as we know, is a crucial document, and the real challenge actually lies in its implementation. Today, this seminar is being organized with the motive to discuss the implementation and impact of National Education Policy in higher education. I am pleased to share with you all that we have 132 participants who have registered for this seminar, which is being conducted in hybrid mode, which includes 42 offline presentations, including one poster presentation from a person who has just come from Kanpur despite of the rainfall. We have 57 online presentations. We have one poster in online mode as well. The themes of the technical sessions being scheduled post-lunch includes salient features of NEP 2020 and technology in education, relevance of NEP in higher education, discussing various aspects of NEP, equitable and inclusive education, to name a few. We have participants from all over the country, including Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, West Bengal, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Assam, Himachal Pradesh, Maharashtra, and of course, Uttar Pradesh. The inaugural session will be followed by panel discussion by the panel of experts who are here with us today and who will be discussing and elaborating on various topics about the policy, playing a catalytic role in transforming higher education, and what actually are the challenges faced by the HEIs in its implementation. This seminar is a part of the project which was being sanctioned to me to assess the implementation and impact of NEP 2020. As a part of data collection during the project, today on this occasion, I would like to share with you some preliminary qualitative feedbacks which we got from the survey. NEP emphasizes more on practical education instead of theoretical education. Internships, which have become mandatory in NEP, was one of the most exciting features among the students, and they were keen to learn with field exposure. The students are looking forward to learn how descriptive study works practically. Students are also looking forward to co-curricular courses which will help them to groom their personality. Without taking much time, I would like to conclude here by saying National Education Policy is a comprehensive set of guidelines and recommendations for the Indian education system. By implementing these recommendations in true spirit, NEP aims to ensure that all students have the opportunity to receive a high-quality education and reach their full potential. Its success will depend on effective implementation and adequate resources, and it will require continued effort and commitment from the government, educators, and the wider community. It is not going to happen tomorrow, but it's okay. The change has just started. I hope this one-day academic endeavor from our side turns out to be a fruitful experience for all of you who are here with us today. And at the end, I would like to quote a statement from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, which very rightly summarizes the spirit of NEP, and I quote, "The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise." Thank you so much.